bullshit behind us. Let's go where they can't even find us. Let's take it back when we're breaking that dope in the trap, baby, you and my rider. Let's take it back to remind us. Before the fame and the cameras. Fuck it, let's boost up the standards. Now that them haters can't stand us. We act like we don't want to talk to each other.
What's up, guys? Eddys-World up here. I've read you guys' comments. I've seen a lot of people asking me if I've sold the Raptor. No, it's not. It's right here. It's running perfectly, as you guys can see. So for a while now, I've been trying to think what more content I could bring you guys. I know I've been lacking a little bit with the weekly uploads. I've been, a little lazy. I'm still going to be bringing you guys the bike content. As you can see, I have both bikes behind me. You're still going to be getting bike content from time to time. But for a while now, I've been trying to see how I can expand, bring you guys more content. For a while now, I used to be really into the car scene around here, but for a while we've had a truck, so I was really, out of it. But I've seen on YouTube, and a lot of people like to watch car stuff like drifting, racing, meets, stuff like that. So what we've done today is I actually sold my truck and I went on a little budget to see what new car I could get, the cheapest, funnest car I could get. Not cheapest, but like a fun car that I could get to start bringing more YouTube content to you guys. So that's why we're here today, to show you my new car. So these are the bikes, clean and everything, but we have to move on to new things. You got me? So look at this, guys. 2018 automatic Camaro, guys. You know how it is. Automatic, life forever. Psych. Fuck Camaros. Camaros are trash. If you actually see back here, this dash will searching around, and for the price that we had, the cheapest, fastest, and funnest car we had was this Mustang that I just picked up. It's completely stock. I got it from a cop down in Hollandale. He never abused it. He never raced it. That actually one of the reasons I actually went with this car. It's been super babied. The guy only had it. He had it since it was brand new. He had it for 5-6 years. Barely drove it. So like I said, guys, the car is completely stock. All the guy ever did in his 5 years of owning it was put an axle back garage exhaust. Axle back, so it's not the full exhaust, it's just the back. Let's turn it on so you guys can see. Come in here. It's also manual, guys. We bought this car specifically for racing, so we ain't getting an automatic. Are you guys ready? It sounds pretty rowdy. We're gonna go out right now, do a few pulls, a few drifts. So you're gonna see us out there right now. Dale. So here we are, guys, inside the car. It sounds pretty nice when you drive it. So there is the list of mods that I wanted to get done to the car. Since I did buy it for racing, I also want to see if one of these days I take it out to the track and try to drift with it, just bring you guys some content so you guys can watch. I do want to put air intake, long tube headers, a tune, and we're going to do that all fairly fast because I have been looking around for the prices and stuff, and it's not that expensive. So be looking forward to those type of videos that I will be bringing out. But overall, I love the car, guys. Tapado. Good to know. Welcome back, guys. Here we are at the house again. You guys saw we did a few little pulls in the new Mustang, some donuts, some little drifts. We'll hopefully get better. I'm actually trying to go out to an actual track and drift, see if we could get the crowd killer to actually drift. If you guys enjoyed the content, leave a like down below and also comment. I want to know what you guys think. I want to know what you guys want to see. If you guys have any ideas I can do with the Mustang or with the bikes that I can bring you guys, just let me know. Don't be ashamed. But yeah, overall I hope you like the Mustang. I love it. It's a nice car, really powerful for the price as well. I'm gonna be bringing you guys a lot of videos. We're gonna tune it up, we're gonna modify it, we're gonna race it, we're gonna go to meets, drift meets, everything. So just, you know, make sure you put the little notification tab, click on it, get all my notifications when I upload a video. Make sure you're the first one to watch it. And I'm not here without you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos and have a good day. What's up, guys? I know I already made an outro to the video, but here we are on our first car meet with the Mustang. Sorry. I'm here with my boy in his new C6 Corvette. Look at him over there, having fun with it.
I already know. Come over here. Big bless up.
Let's walk around real quick, see the type of cars that we have here today. Today is our first day with the car, so we came to whatever little car meet we found, but you guys are gonna get better content than this.